Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to convert BNB to ETH on Trust Wallet. So if you also want to convert BNB to ETH on Trust Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch Open Trust Wallet application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. After you complete the authentication, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So converting BNB to ETH is very simple. All you have to do is look at bottom. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for home, swap, earn and discover. Right now, you're in the home interface. What you have to do is go to the swap interface. For that, simply tap on the swap option that you can see at second. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the swap interface. Over here, you'll be able to see two sections, from and to. Simply tap on the crypto that is selected in the from section. Now here you'll have to select BNB. Find the option for BNB, tap on it. If you do not find it, you can also search for it. Now tap on the crypto that is selected in the to section. Now here you'll have to select ETH. Search for the option ETH. If you do not find it over here, simply tap on the search bar. Now type in ETH. You'll be able to see the results over here. Simply tap on the option ETH. Now you'll be able to convert BNB to ETH. All you have to do is enter the amount that you want to convert. Simply tap right over here, enter the amount. Now you'll be able to see the receiving amount over here. You'll also see the conversion rate. You'll also be able to see the informations like provider, provider fee and slippage tolerance. Right now I do not have sufficient BNB balance, but if you have sufficient balance over here, you'll be able to find the option for continue. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Now all you have to do is follow through the prompts and complete the transaction. After that, your BNB will be converted to ETH. So that is how you convert BNB to ETH in Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.